super quick tutorial on creating a really good looking professional Facebook post. It's very super simple. It's just using an image, fonts and colours and an overlay or an underlay in this case. So we're going to do something simple like this. It's very simple and easy to do, and it will take literally 2 minutes. You can do this on your phone, on the mobile version as well. So basically, you need to find a background image that suits your business, it suits your branding. So you go to photos in your Canva account, and you can use any of the photos. If you've got free, that's fantastic. If you've got pro, you can use them. If you've got free, you can pay for the pro images if you find one that works well. I'm going to use this one, and I'm just going to drag it out so that it suits and fits my Facebook frame. There we go. Let's drag it out so it fits the frame. There we go. And you can move the image around to wherever you want it to go. I'm going to place it there. Actually, I'm going to place it there. So we've got the laptop, the leaf, and the clipboard in our focal points, which are the 4 points in the corners of the squares. And then next you need to add some text. So you have your header text, sub and body text. We're going to add header text. This is just going to be a post to promote my little business. I'm going to just put them in line and make them nice and big and bold. Then we want to add some subheader text. Web and Canva design, which is what I do. I'm going to make that a little bit bigger so it can be seen. It's my subheader, so it needs to be a little bit bolder and bigger. And then body text. So let's just say I've added my Facebook in there. I've lined them all up. Let's make that slightly bigger, but not as big as my subheader text. See, red line through dotted line means they're all lined up. Now that looks good, but we are struggling to see this text, and a simple way to make your text stand out is either to change the transparency on the image, but you will lose the features of the image, or you can go to the elements section and we can add just a simple free plain square. If we add it over our text, drag it down, make it nice and central with our text, and then you can either change the colour or we can change the transparency. Let's bring it all down a bit. I think what I'm going to do in this case is change the colour to a light colour. There we go. And then position it backwards so that my text is on top. Now you can see straight away that the text is a lot more clear and focal. So just by adding that underlay behind your text really helps your fonts and your text stand out. You can change the fonts, the colours of the fonts to match your branding. So in this case, with this image I've used, it would be the greens and pinks. This one here, I've taken the browns from the glasses, so the browns and the peaches would be the branding colours. So a very super simple, quick way to create a nice, attractive post to promote your business is using an image, your fonts, your colours, and just an underlay, which is just a square that you change the transparency on. Create the colour of the square to be your branding colour, and then you just change the transparency on it. So that's it really, guys. Just a very super simple, quick tutorial on how to create an effective Facebook design.